If you believe they put a man on the moon. Man on the moon. If you believe they put a man on the moon. Can I contribute to Godot? The answer is yes. If you can contribute to an open source project, even if it's documentation, documentation is immensely important, and especially in open source. And you don't have to be a developer to do documentation. I highly recommend if you can write some documentation for any open source project, do it. Even if you can review documentation, or if you're reading something and say this isn't quite right or there's some typos, fix it. I love the fact that there's a contributing button here. You know what's really, and then this is what I love about StreamerBot. Yes. My balls. Thank you for following. Follow me wherever I go, my balls. And I appreciate that's about you. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. Oh. No. Oh. Damn it. I'm going to get you. Fine. I accept my fate. And dead. Sooty's revenge. Why didn't I pitch a tent? Oh boy, where am I gonna poop? I don't see any pooping holes. Uh-oh, what happened? Boom. He got you. You're dead. Game over. If this doesn't work, I'll go fuck myself with a rusty spoon. So now we're doing it like this. And I put myself inside a TV. It's very inspired by Space Ghost Coast to Coast. 14 hours in, and this is what I've accomplished. Yeah. Ah, help me. What the Oh, Daddy. God damn it. Okay. And there it was. Brian got a guitar string. Is he gonna come back? Oh yeah, he's coming back. Oh yeah, he's mad. He's mad. What? Watch. Watch him. Watch him. Ah, yeah. Get out, fire. Yeah, let's recharge it. Go take a look at our billboard. Well, hello everybody. How we doing? Got a full house in here already. So great to see you. Welcome in, Captain Coder. Welcome in, Tree Lady. Welcome in, This is Dodling. Welcome in, Fallen Learns. Welcome in, anybody that I missed. I'm scrolling all the way back. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So good to see you all. Damn right you do. Got an itch. I spent most of my day at the dentist today. And I still didn't get all my problems fixed. So I am already in a wonderful, wonderful mood. Excuse me. Desist, you remember, well, now it's been 32 weeks. Yeah, 32 weeks ago when I had that really bad infection in my mouth. Wait a minute. Did YouTube just crap on me? So yeah, I didn't have insurance or money at the time to get it taken care of, so I just got some antibiotics. And then actually over the weekend I was eating some popcorn, and the tooth that I needed to get fixed cracked. So now I really need a root canal. Went to the dentist, got my cleaning, they did x-rays and all kinds of stuff. And they're like, oh, we can't do root canals here. So you got to go to a root canal specialist. I'm like, what kind of sadist? What kind of evil person wants to be a root canal specialist? And all I could think of the entire time I'm getting my cleaning after hearing that was, son, be a dentist. Because that's kind of what it feels like it has to be. But need to do that. Got some antibiotics, got some ibuprofen. Other than that, my teeth are fine. Fallen, that is so good that they kick in. I mean, I'm lucky to be at a startup where they take really good care. Like, I didn't have to wait 90 days, but it wasn't day one like some places that I've been. But my insurance started off like immediately the first day of the month after I started. So that wasn't bad at all. Yeah, they kept asking me, do you want to keep the tooth or are you okay losing it? Like, I'd rather keep it. I mean, fortunately, if I did end up losing it, it's not one that shows up when I go. It's just right on the side here. But still, it really put a hamper in my jawbreaker habit. or chewy candy habit. Actually, I don't really know. You can blend tofu, right? You can blend most things, I think, honestly. Speaking of, I'm gonna wait a little bit, but I have big announcement that I may have mentioned to some people accidentally. Hold on. Oh, hold on. Wait. Hold on. Wait a minute. Oh. Yep, I've got all kinds of fight a dentist windows open up in this browser that I don't need to be showing off to everybody. All right. Um. So yeah, that was the majority of my day, but fallen not that. Um. But it is kind of big news. Oh, that's horrible. I I don't know if I could find the picture from when my face was extremely swollen. I had people coming in here because it was when I was unemployed, obviously, and I was trying to stream, and my entire side of my face was like just inflamed and blown up. Hmm? Yeah, like that. Arthritic One, welcome back. First time chat, but you followed, and then you unfollowed, and then you followed. Either way, I'm glad that you're here now. Welcome in. Um, and so I went and got antibiotics for that. The abscess, the infection went down, but I never got the actual. I treated the symptom, but not the cause. That makes sense. I didn't get to the root canal of my problem, but I'm hoping to do that. We have locked up. What just happened? We have frozen. Hmm. Well, that was interesting. Okay, desist. You just found a problem. Yet another one. Um, I don't know if they're going to knock me out or numb me. Uh, we'll find out. But so desist. I found a problem the other day. Well, actually, somebody else found the problem. I should credit them. But wait, where's my to-dotes? Chat message. That when emoticon, um, like the smiley and the wait, is chat broken now? Oh, I think chat's broken. We might have to restart and we might have to get the TVs back in. Um, but the emoticon with like the less than 3, like the heart that you just did, or colon D colon parenthesis, um, those aren't handled the same way as emoji that come through. Dang it, got to restart. So that is a bug. Well, hold on. I guess we're back here. And that means that I've gotta update my all widgets. Where's the chat? I wasn't a dumbass and chat box. Here we go. There. Okay. So while we have a big bug, they're here. Who's here, honey? The TV people. Carol Ann, wait. Carol Ann, go to the light, Carol Ann. Zelda Rubinstein, she was iconic. Freaking iconic. Fallen, I would consider you an antlion. Let's say an antlion. If you want to know about bugs, though, I mean, speaking of bugs, right now our friend Science. Speaking of bugs, our friend Science Streams right now is having their partnerversary / baby birthday party / front page of Twitch / 2K people watching. So if I'm not entertaining enough for you, which we already know the answer to that, feel free to hop on over there and check out Science. Amazing, amazing people. And last I checked, when I was watching before, it wasn't 2/3, it wasn't 1/3, it was 3/3 of Science streams were on camera. Oh, take it back. That's not the case anymore. Regardless, yeah, Munchkin was opening presents on stream, and then I think it got to a point where she's like, I got these presents. We go play now? Okay. All right, so what is the plan tonight? The plan tonight is, well, I'm not going to fix this. We found the bug. I don't want to have to go through and create, well, I know exactly how to fix it, but I don't want to take the time for it because we have Take Over the World. Actually, funny story with that, Fallen. Are you familiar with the story of the WGN Max Headroom takeover? Or AKA the Chicago Max Headroom takeover? Which is tangentially related, I think, maybe. So in the 80s, and for those of you who are too young to remember, Max Headroom was a TV show. Well, Max Headroom was a character played by the great Matt Frewer, who was supposed to be a digital clone of a reporter who lived inside a computer. Okay, so there's the backstory. Now, there was a Max Headroom signal hijacking. One station was WGN, and the other was a PBS station. So let's see if I can find. Well, this is going to get me. So this was a PBS one, or WTDW, Window to the World. And that person grew up to be Finite Singularity. That's right, the person who's making all the stream effects that we all know and love started out by hijacking a Chicago TV station. It goes on like that, just unraveling like weirdness, like absurdity. And at one point, he has somebody off screen spanking him with a fly swatter. I don't want to show all of that because I mean, I don't want to cause too much moisture. So that is tangentially related. I mean, with the new overlay, kinda related, right? We'll go with it. So I am going to. We're working on the new version of the presentation. I have a new presentation, but I want to do everything that I can within Godot. Everything possible that I can, everything that I can possibly do in Godot, I'd like to do in Godot. So we need to make some changes. We need to make some updates. We need to make some fixes. We need to make some rebuilding, and we need to see if we can pull this shit off. Moisture. Also, boom. If you're interested in learning Godot, the Humble Bundle that I love and I've bought before, I'm not going to say how many times because I keep forgetting that I bought it, but this time I remembered. I didn't buy it again. Using Zenva is up and available again. I highly recommend it. I don't recommend Humble Bundles that I haven't purchased or that I don't know about. I won't just say, hey, here's a bundle, buy it. I have bought the Zenva bundle before. Oh no. And there's new stuff in here too. There is new stuff. I need to see. Dan the man. Excuse me. Welcome in. Welcome in. I need to see. So I have a Zenva Zenva Academy membership. I'm just signing in. But I'm curious to see. Let me just make sure. All right, so one of the red border ones. Because I didn't know about in-game shop. Let's just see. Okay, it looks like I might have to pick that up again. No, here it is. Okay, it is here. Well, no, my account. Let me just blur on again. Make sure my account. Okay, yeah. All right, so I have a yearly account, which is $50 a year. Honestly, $50 a year. When I've already spent more than that on these bundles. I think it's worth it, but also it's worth it just to get the bundles because I get a cut if you use my link. Okay, that's all the shilling I'm going to do there. All right, make sure that I can see the YouTube chat that nobody's using. Make sure that I'm still streaming there. Things are still live. It's saying that my audio stream bitrate is lower, but I don't care. I think we can start on doing the stuff now. Arthritic. But I'm a pancake. Welcome back. Welcome back. Good to see you. Arthritic one. So I've picked up both. Udemy, I found is really hit or miss. I'm sure it's the same with both services. It's really hit or miss with Zenva or Udemy. I picked up some courses on Udemy that really didn't work out. I will say that our friend Jackie Codes has a course on Udemy. So if you're looking to learn Godot and support a really awesome streamer who isn't me, check out her course on Udemy. If that's how you pronounce it. Is it Udemy, 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 Ud? Yeah, Captain. I completely agree. I mean, it's so awesome that we agree with each other, isn't it?
Yes, the answer is yes, Daddy. Daddy, the answer is yes.
I know. It works out so well. But Zenva has a lot. Zenva seems to be very, very much more developer centric, and at least from the stuff that I've seen, and the courses that I've gone through, and I've gone through a couple, have been decent quality. So, and $50 a year for a full subscription is not a bad deal at all. All right, let's make sure things are visible here. Now we need to. Can I wonder if there is a no? Okay, I was hoping that maybe there was a way to put my streamer bot chat visible. Or put my YouTube chat share within OBS so that I can like save some screen real estate, but I don't seem to have that ability just yet. I'm sure I could do another way to see it, but you know what? Oh well. Nobody chats on YouTube, and if anybody's watching on YouTube and does chat, I'll check it eventually. Let's see. I'm just arranging windows. I don't have fancy zones set up over here. And doesn't seem to be as. There we go. Maybe a little bit of that, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Damn it, that's not working. Well, buttermilk pancake, there's a link right up top. Yeah, and I said it before, I'll say it again and again and again until I believe it myself. I don't just chill for anything on Humble Bundle. It has to be something that I would either use or that I have used. Okay, this might actually work. This might work a little bit better. All right. So I was messing around with a bunch of different things yesterday. We're going to start over completely from scratch. So let's, well, maybe not completely from scratch. What's going to be a good way to do this? Because what I did basically is I backed up my previous presentation. So we've got everything still here, right? But it also exists elsewhere. And what I want to do after I verify and re-verify that I'm not completely deleting everything. What about Pancake? You are just killing it. So great to see. dir. Okay, I've got presentation, Godot present, and I think I've got presentation back. All right, so which one is? Okay, git branch. Okay, this is on the change layout. On branch main. Okay. But yeah, I agree. I agree. Definitely keeps you sharp. You gotta do stuff that just don't get burnout. Don't let yourself get burnout to the point where you hate doing stuff. That I think that would be the worst case scenario. And I see a lot of people fall into that, myself included. Occasionally, not with it. Well, actually, yeah, occasionally with this. Um, let's see. Where? Close that down, and let me just make sure I'm in the right one. Open file manager. We're doing this. This is in new present. Okay, and then new present is completely different. And this one is wow. Man, I think it's a number of things here. You know, honestly, um but I'm not an expert, you know. Just like I preface all my mental health talks with, you know, first the second slide is before you even learn who I am, the first thing you need to know about me is I'm not a doctor. Um so yeah, not a doctor. But also, and the man, did I already say hi? Did I already say hi? Have you been in here? Or did you just sneak in? You just snuck in, didn't you? But I think that even if it's something that you enjoy doing, if you do it so much to where you put off self-care, sleep, walking around, standing up, um, showering, bathing, eating, and your body starts to feel the effects from it, then you can get burnt out. But again, not a doctor. People have different opinions. Um, Mungwo, hello. All right, so we are going to do a couple things here. I've got test slide. I've got so many test things, assets here. Let's clean out the files a bit. Test slide, test slide, test slide. Removing Now we're going to start a new one here. And we're also going to create a base class for our slides, which I believe that maybe I already started that too. Yeah, we started it here. Okay, there's part of it. Now, there's no team class name. It's like base. We're going to change that up a little bit to find your rhythm. I can agree. Do not be too fast or too slow. You might go blind. You might cause rug burn. Moisturize. Yeah, I definitely caught on to it. All right, so we're going to do this. We're going to keep a tool on here because I want to be able to change the text within there. So we need this will be our slide base isn't going to have a title or subtitle. Instead, what it's going to have is our slide base is definitely going to have notes, right? And this is something that I'm learning on our set. Now, what would this be the equivalent to in other languages, doing a set with an export? It feels like a constructor, but at the same time, I don't know if that would be the best way to put it. More accepting smaller than you envisioned to start case. C# would be a class property. Okay. That makes sense. I can put that into PHP thinking. And understand what it is. So now that we have this, what do you mean weird hat? What do you mean weird hat? We have the best beard on Twitch. And once I get a haircut, I'll be back up to number 8, at least. Yeah, and I'm not completely copying Captain because I'm not stacking hats on top of each other. But somebody decided that they wanted to disconnect the stream, so I figured maybe if I put a more fun hat on my head, then people wouldn't want to. And maybe they might not want to get rid of me anymore. Okay, let's see here. Arthritic, you're doing great. I appreciate it. You know, I should do a Vipper. I should do a VIP redeem, shouldn't I? Let's do that really quick. Hey. We got that action. Okay, source, Twitch, channel reward. Ah, bad, bad. User. Wait, can I not? What? Huh? What? Okay, maybe we'll just wait for that. Because that is I don't want to get into that because I want to get into this. I need to get into this. I have to write my thing. So on subtitle. No, I don't need that. Is base class. Trying to look up, make sure that I'm doing this the right way. I'm gonna take out that notes because you can't. You have to have the notes themselves be like a or the rich text label. You have to create one as a child or somewhere in the node tree of the current scene, and then associate it. So it wasn't doing it the way that I thought it would. Okay. I think the only thing that I want to do here is have the notes. Actually, nothing in here. Because I'm doing it as a script, and the script's going to. What is going to be shared among all of the what's going to be shared between all of the different types of slides? The way I think about it is we've got like 5 slide types. And what is this attached to? This is attached to right here. No, slide object. That's a slide object, and that comes back here. Slide base is on its own. Let's just add a pass. Yeah, get rid of that. Duh. Um, R equal notes equals what the hell is it? It is a label right there. All right, now if I do here and then change that over so that we have the script here attached to it. Load here. Great. Now, if I put in a label, test slide base. There we go. Now let's see if I can. Nope, bad. Don't save. Okay, that works. That works because I put it in here, so we have the notes already in there. So as long as I, all right, this is something that I haven't done before, or maybe I have, but I don't remember. But by extending this, we get whatever's on the parent one. Munglo, am I doing this right? Am I thinking about this in the right way? It's entirely possible that I'm not, but so I want to have a base class with default fields. Okay. So we're saying that this is going to be our slide base. This is going to be the node type that all my slide types extend from. All right. So it has a label. When I create a new type of that, it has this, and it already has. Oh, wait, no, that's not. Oh, that won't work, will it? Because it already has a script attached. Since I'm creating a new type of it. Damn it. Damn it. What if I disconnect the script here and then. Nope, nope. Add new one and inherits. Nope, not script paste. Slide base. Okay, create that. Okay, okay. This does work. This does work. All right, this is what I was wanting. So by doing it, we have our slide base, and then I can still do the ready, super ready, or parent ready, whatever it is here. And I have my notes page. Great. Okay, that's what I was hoping for. Okay. Let's get a ready in here. It's Metrix. Welcome in. How you doing? And let's say big announcement coming up at 7:30 p.m. US Central, which is in approximately 39 minutes from now. I have a big announcement. A good announcement. Something exciting. Nope, nope. You'll find out. You'll find out in now 38 minutes. In 38 minutes from now. At least I think it's a pretty big announcement. Y'all might think differently, but all right, let's see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Very fair. Very fair. Okay, what do I have in the script here? Side base, on side boundary area entered. So we're definitely going to need that area, right? We need the area. And then how do I have the labels here? They're just on the side object, or are they? Ooh, are they just in here? I might need to open up another old one, or yeah, an older version to figure out how I'm doing it. Let's do that. Let's do that. Um, damn it. This is gonna bug me because I want to show off the new thing too. Um, is the emote handler? Where am I? Sorry, I am all over the place right now. Like I said, I've had a very long day, very long day. Up most of the night in pain because of mouth. Um, and then spent way too long in a dentist chair to not get anything really like fully. I mean, it's good. I haven't had my teeth cleaned in quite a while, so we don't need to talk about all that. But um, so that's something that needed to be done. But knowing that I need a root canal kind of hurts. So I'm kind of all over, but all right, I need to focus. Okay, this is the newer one. Let's go all the way down. Yeah, this is going to be the most basic version of it. Most basic version here. So I have something to fall back on. Open anyway. Cool. Okay, side objects. Have notes. Wait, is this exactly how I did it before? Wow, I feel like an idiot. I'm not saying that I am, but I feel like one. Whoa, what the hell? What the hell? Why? Okay. Weird, 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 weird. Like shift was being pressed and outside of my control. Um. Oh. Okay. Okay. I have been told by people in the stream to stop being mean to their friend. I think that might mean me. But where the hell did where's all the oh okay. So that's not notes. Okay. That's not an actual label. Okay. I think I got it. We don't need that label then. So here are the things that we definitely need. These are what must happen. There is no notes text. At least not here. So it's not anything that I need to really worry about at this time. So we're going to instead have different slide types. Okay. And now to reiterate, to bring everybody up to speed who might be here, who wasn't here earlier, the whole goal of this is to make it so that I can create the slides from my presentation within Godot rather than having to export them as images from Google Slides. Okay, so this one's no longer slide base. This is title slide. Title slide. Let's see what title slide has. Okay, I was hoping that all of this would be included in here, but I think I'm wrong. Am I wrong? I guess I was wrong. Okay, so maybe we're gonna have to take it back to doing it the other way. I wanted to use as much over as possible, but it doesn't seem that that's going to be a doable. So there's my collision shape, there's my slide background, but I'm not seeing these. All right, ads are coming up, words on stream coming up, and I will be back in just a few minutes. All right, barely made it through, but we made it. Okay, so I think that part of this has been an exercise in futility, trying to get so that the slide base here, all these things would be present in a child of it. I have that effect. Let's see, export var title. Instance valid. Title label. What did I do over here? What did I do? Oh, okay. We need that. We need that. Okay, burn. All right, there we go. In ready. Now, could I? Okay, output here. All right, what is this? What is this? Common parent is null. Where's this coming from? Parameter common parent is null. Some node does not have a common parent. It's in a different scene tree or no scene tree at all. Bring over Godot forum, blah, 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 blah. All right, this is in C#, but I get the gist of it. Okay, that doesn't really clearly explain. Card doesn't init the state machine. So Munglo, there is no none of that is really valid. I was looking at resources, but we're not doing slide transitions. No, we're not running slides. We're not running slides. Well, we are running slides, and by running slides, I mean this. I'm running slides. This is how I'm running slides. Van the Man, I've given the talk before. I'm just trying to improve on the software that I used to build it. Munglo, pretty much, yes, yes. Here, I'll show you the way that everything looks right now, okay? In the working one, I've got all of these objects and they're lined up like this. Right? So we're not trying anything too fancy. As far as gameplay is concerned, it's going to be a straightforward platformer, running, no enemies, nothing that's going to kill you, just running. Mega Man style transitions, which I've already got coded. I don't need to do anything fancy. I just want to be able to put the data for the slides within the slides without having to recreate each type multiple times. I don't know enough about resources to do that though. And I don't want to take I don't want to take more time than necessary to learn something new that isn't going to directly benefit or have a strong the data that I want right now is going to be the text data. So in a title slide, it's going to have a title and a title, byline, and notes. In a list slide, it's going to have a title and an array of bullet points. On a image slide, which I probably won't have image slides, but here, let's go back to all right. So a section heading is just going to have a larger title and a subtitle there, and then quote slide, it's going to have something like that. So I want to be able to have these and just recreate without having to rebuild them each slide. Van the Man, these are Kenny assets. They're Kenny platformer 2D pixel art. However, the little me, I made that. I made mini me here. Okay, so in title slide, my name is Goozy. I hope, wait, no, your name is Goozy. My name is JD. Welcome in, good to see you. Hope you're doing well. I don't get the, I don't understand this, where it's popping from. Okay, okay. Slide object. There. Wait, what? What do you mean you saw the Godot app on Meta? Like in VR? So Munglo, I've already got the manuscript as an outline. I could easily transform that to whatever. My name is Goozy. That is really cool. I never thought about doing it in there, but Godot's supposed to be pretty decent for XR type stuff or VR, AR type stuff. But it's not something I really have access to. But okay, we're gonna look at, here's this title slide. Now let's get back into the code here, and then on ready, engine as node. Right. Title label. Wait, no, is that? Label new. Corpus, welcome in. My name is Goozy. Since you're new here, I prefer that you didn't. If you hang out for a while and wanna and chat a little bit, just first time chat and then asking to drop a link. I'm not saying that you necessarily are sus, but the behavior can be considered it. So, I mean, once I get to know you, if you're around for a bit, I'm more than happy to take a look at links. But jumping in and saying, hey, I'm going to drop a link. Hopefully you can understand. Hopefully you can understand that, Okay, title label new. I'll be damned. That is really cool. Wow. Okay, I can see advantages to this. I could definitely see advantages to this, right? And it's already on 443. Or, well, 44 dev 3, but so it's not quite up to date with the most recent, but it's still kind of cool, right? Title label. Then we're going to arthritic one. Good, very good point. Game dev where it makes me want to puke too. Child title label, and then There we go. Van the Man. No, bad. Bad Van the Man. Bad. Else. Okay, we got that. And oh wait, I think I need to restart the editor, don't I? Yeah, let's reload the current project. Let it register my tool. Perfect, perfect. This is the behavior that I'm hoping for, right? In a way, in a way. No, you know what? I like this. I like this because it's going to create them automatically. And then if I... Or was it, what's the thing? Ah, why am I... Wait a minute. Okay, extend slide base. All right, and then I've got a title slide over here that we need to fix. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? All right, what did I do here? What did I do? Title. Save that. And then, okay, back here. Don't save it and then open up again. Getting close to announcement time. Close to announcement time. I see that there are some conflicting opinions happening in chat. It's completely fine. Completely fine. It's okay to have save. All right, let's see if this then. Ooh, other. To Mungo's credit, it is open source. Well, no, it's open source. Open source doesn't mean that they are going to go out of their way to make it available on every platform. Open source is that the code is open, and if you wanted to, you could fork it and you could make it your own, and do the work to make it available on Apple. And there's also the issue of, I mean, who's going to pay? I know that they're getting donations. They're getting yeah, Munglo has it. They're working, but I just, let's say even just on my desktop here, Firebot, right? Firebot here is open source. Okay. The code is open to anybody, but for the longest time, even though it's open source, it wasn't available. You couldn't run it on Mac. That doesn't mean it's not open source. That just means that the developers didn't take, or weren't able to, or didn't have the time, or didn't have the motivation to make a Mac capable version. They did get enough pushback, or not pushback, but enough requests from the community using it to make a Mac compatible version. Or somebody in the community stepped up and said, hey, I'm good with Electron. I'm going to look at what you did and see how we can port it over. So now it does have a version available on Mac. And getting things to work on iOS is no trivial feat. Oh, look at the time. Look at the time. Look at the time. So folks, it's announcement time. Is everybody paying attention? Is everybody paying attention? I hope that you are, because I want you to see this. I want you to see this. You see this, we don't have a schedule yet. Ooh, what? We don't have a schedule yet. However, Hero Devs, the company I work for, has a Twitch channel. And I am going to be streaming on the Hero Devs channel. Once every couple weeks. We're figuring out all the logistics of it, but I am going to be streaming on that channel, and I'm not going to be doing my normal thing, right? I'm not going to be just doing, okay, well, watch me do game dev, or let's watch me attempt to do game dev. What I'm going to be doing is security, right? So I don't know a lot about security. At least when it comes to software, I know enough to make my code secure, but I don't know about penetration testing. I don't know about, looking for vulnerabilities. And what our entire thing is we keep outdated or end of life open source software alive. So your AngularJS, your Node.js, earlier versions of it, your Drupal 7, which is what I do, old Bootstrap, old Ruby on Rails, old versions of PHP. We have a large catalog of products that we support. Now, I thought, and our head of marketing thought, hey, we have a Twitch channel. You know what might be cool? We take somebody who's not in our security, our pen testing, in our vulnerability finding department, because I do the development of bug fixes and stuff for Drupal 7. We take somebody who doesn't do that, and you know what we do? we teach them that. So what I'm going to be doing on this stream, and for the first few streams, I'm going to be, well, probably for most of them, but I'll be doing the stream together thing. So it'll be, you'll see my go live notification, as well as the notification for Hero Devs. So let's I'm hoping that all of you give a follow to watch over there. And what we're going to do is when I stream over there, I'm going to be doing something like try hack me. Probably not hack the box, because that's a little bit too expensive, but try hack me. It looks really cool. Something to learn, something to do. And I'm really interested in doing it. So yeah, keep an eye out. Excuse me. Give a little follow over to Hero Devs, so you can keep an eye out for me to jump over there. Nice. 2 more of you followed. Very good. Very good. Very good. And yeah, so that is the big news. Legitimately getting paid to stream, and not just the pittance that I'm making from Twitch. Papa Smiles, what's up? What's up? How you doing? Welcome in. Good to see you. We're just talking about the big news that I am going to be streaming on my employer's Twitch stream coming up in the very near future, at least twice a month. We're figuring out the days of the week that it's going to be and how exactly we're going to make it work. But we're going to take me, somebody who doesn't do pen testing, somebody who doesn't even have an account on HackerOne, somebody who's never written a CVE, and never submitted a bug bounty, and trying to teach me through Try Hack Me or Hack the Box how to do ethical hacking and penetration testing and stuff like that. So that is my big news that I'm extremely thrilled about. Okay. All right, good. So it starts off with that already. And we have this. Oh, well, Papa Smiles, welcome in. You came to the right place. Yeah, what are you interested in game dev? So I will preface with the fact that I am not a professional game developer. I am a professional programmer, primarily in web development. PHP, JavaScript, and the like. But I loving working with Godot and finding new things to do. So what we're doing here, though, is I am making a presentation in Godot. And what we're trying to do is make something reusable, make some reusable slide layouts here, and make it so that we, I need to check something here. Now that we have this. All right, so that's still going to have the same, it's going to share the same, what word? The same script. Yeah, share the same script, but it'll have different data. Now, the thing that we're going to need to do is every slide will need to have its own. Will Illuminate, what is up? Welcome in. It's going well. We're rebuilding it so that I can make the text and presentation, the slides, the screens within Godot rather than make them in Google. Rather than making everything in Google Slides, exporting them as PNGs, and then importing each file, each PNG as a as a background. Instead of doing that, I want to make everything in Godot. All right, so we've got slide base. Now, I'm curious here. Oh, right on, Papa Smiles. So if you're learning Lua, I know you said you have no coding background. Completely cool. I would recommend as an engine, if you wanna keep on and grow further, Godot, and it's not just because Godot because I like Godot, but because GD script, which is the programming language of Godot by default, or it's the custom programming language for those of us who don't use C#, uh, is based on a combination of Lua and Python. If you look at the pin message, I'm not saying that you need to do this to hang out here, but there is a humble bundle happening right now for learning Godot, and I highly recommend. I have that bundle as well, or I bought the Zenvo bundles before, and I think that they're really good content. All right, now I want to see here if we start it up, bring the current scene. All right, there is our title. That'll move. Perfect. Now the question is, title slide only has title. It does not have what I was hoping it would have, which would be the boundary, the collision shape, and the background. So what we would need to do is add in these things. We need the boundary. This is going to be an area 2D. We need a collision shape. We need the background. Oh, Papa Smiles. Yes, yes. I mean, I don't know Lua myself, but in the scripting, same thing with functions. You name it, do your logic, and either return. But let me see. Well, that shouldn't be the advanced one. Hold on. Let me pull this over. Okay, documentation about GScript's history has been moved. In the early days, engine used the Lua scripting language to be fast thanks to LuaJIT. GD script was designed to curtail the issues above. So So yeah, and there's a good reference, but yeah, like S. Metric said, all languages are like the at the top or the very very high level. All languages boil down to talk to the machine in some way, shape, or form. I'm not saying all of them are low level definite machine. Hopefully, I'm coming across, but they all tell the machine do this, and then the machine hopefully says I do this, and and but with any language, it's only going to do what you tell it to do. There's a joke. Wife tells a husband, "Hey, I need you to go to the store, pick up a dozen eggs, and if they have toilet paper, pick up two." And the husband comes back with 2 dozen eggs. Yeah, yeah. So I would recommend, if you're just getting into, every language is going to have different words for what it does. A lot of things will you'll find equivalence between them. So like I said, I primarily do PHP, which is a web development language. It's a recursive language, which means that, or it's a recursive acronym because PHP actually stands for PHP Hypertext Preprocessor, and the PHP and PHP Hypertext Preprocessor stands for PHP Hypertext Preprocessor, and so on. And you can go on infinity for that. But like, looking at PHP, let me. Yeah, Godot is very Pythonic. They did put in the docs that similar to Python, it is independent from Python and not based on it. Now, and there are, and then there's imperative and declarative. And if you have a few minutes, Erlang the movie.
Declarative programming languages have several advantages over traditional languages. For example, programs in such languages are considerably shorter than equivalent programs in imperative languages. Here, for example, is a program in C. And here is the equivalent program in Erlang.
See, they're you can accomplish the same in a whole lot different number of code.
Mike. Question. Does anyone care about the differences between declarative and imperative languages anymore?
Don't be silly. The declarative imperative debate is always a crowd pleaser.
From what I can tell, kids these days are going with what's cool, like Node.js and Ruby on Rails. Let's ask Robert.
If you've never seen this is hilarious.
Hello.
Only if you have the right mindset.
Hello, Mike.
Joe's back to talking about declarative languages again. I just think Erlang's got a problem when its spokesman is an old fuddy-duddy. Hey, Joe.
Bite me.
Robert, what do you think?
Erlang's the shizzer, but I can't blame kids for picking something a little less crusty.
Erlang's image is stuck in the 1980s. It's the Bananarama of languages.
Okay, tell you what. This is bullshit. If kids these days don't want to use Erlang, which is the real rockstar tech, then fuck it. I'll turn this video off and go home. Take my 9/9s with me.
Joe. I didn't mean anything by it.
Yeah, Joe. Mike was just trying to be constructive.
Joe, turn the video back on.
I won't. I won't have Erlang disparaged.
Yo yo yo. I can totally help you geezers.
Who said that?
All Erlang needs is an image upgrade.
That's very interesting.
Lots of things from the 80s are cool. Just look at Fraggle Rock and Super Mario Brothers.
What the hell is that?
It's one of those Ruby hipsters.
Watch it, Grandpa. Just because I carry my Mac in a messenger bag and have great taste in nose rings, doesn't mean I use Ruby.
I, for one, am interested in what the little girl has to say.
Yo, whatever. First we have to fix the name. A language named after a 19th century Danish mathematician is about as cool as having a Facebook account.
It's just like the olden days. When Erlang was banned, we had to change the name.
That's right. When Erlang fell out of fashion at Ericsson, we changed the name to OTP.
3 of the trendiest names we could think of. Open. Telecom. Platform.
Gives me the chills just thinking about it.
Okay, that's bullcrap. No one cares about telecom platforms. We need something fresh. Something edgy.
Like Erlang on Rails.
Jesus Christ. The last thing you want to do is imitate. No, something original.
How about Erlang plus plus?
I got it. We keep OTP, but with a hip, edgy twist. Check it. Your language will hereby be known as Outlaw. Techno. Psycho bitch.
It does spell OTP.
Don't know what it has to do with software. What do you think, Joe?
I absolutely love it. That name is fucking gangster.
Yeah, Joe. You rule. Okay, next thing we need is a video that is just as cool as the original Erlang the movie, but speaks to today's programmer hipster. I'm thinking something like this. Yo, what up bitches? Rex here. This time I'm talking about a badass new language called Outlaw Techno Psycho Bitch, or OTP for short. So, you all know I'm a huge Ruby fan. Ruby gives you 15 ways to do the same thing, and freedom of choice is good. Then I realized that's just 15 different ways to create really slow, crappy programs. Then I started using Node.js. I like Node because, as my hero Ryan Dahl says, it's like coloring with crayons and playing with Duplo blocks.
Forgot that. That's my hero, Ryan Dahl says. Oh, wow. Wow.
But as it turns out, it's less like playing with Duplo blocks, and more like playing with slinkies. Slinkies that get tangled together and impossible to separate. So then I checked out Outlaw Techno Psycho Bitch. It's a language out of Sweden that can be used to build web scale, asynchronous, non-blocking, sharded, event-driven, message passing, NoSQL, reliable, highly available, high-performance, real-time, clusterable, badass, rockstar, get the girls, get the boys, impress your mom, impress your cat, applications.
Impress your mom, impress your cat, applications. Wow. Throwing every possible buzzword in there.
Ryan Dahl, my hero, says, we should not be supporting more programming languages. That we should be killing them. That all these bullshit projects are confusing people. But Psycho Bitch is just so damn cool, I couldn't resist giving it a try. The first thing Psycho Bitch kills off is curly braces. Thank God. After a half-century of curly braces, we need something that's fresh. Psycho Bitch uses single character block delimiters, like in sentences. My hero Ryan Dahl says, math is not necessary, that people who think it's superior to curly braces are wrong. But I figure, if math can get a rover to Mars, maybe it can help us write better programs. Psycho Bitch gets pretty uptight about logic. If you say that X is 1, and then turn around and say X is 2, Psycho Bitch goes apeshit. She's like, what the hell, when
No, you didn't, assignment. He crazy.
did 1 start equaling 2? Psycho Bitch has this great feature called pattern matching. You define the patterns, and if there's a match, your program keeps going. If something doesn't match, it crashes. Like assertions, but
This is beautiful. I need these kind of error messages in Godot. What you talking about, Willis? Assignment? He crazy.
built in. What happens when your program crashes? Psycho Bitch has you covered. It monitors your code and restarts things that break. It's like the Terminator. You can blast it in the face with a shotgun. It stops for a second, then keeps on coming. I've written a chat server in Psycho Bitch. It's where all my friends and me can chat about how awesome Ryan Dahl is. Because the server is written in psychobitch, it can easily handle thousands of concurrent users. Shit, did I say thousands? Because I meant tens of thousands. And by tens of thousands, I mean hundreds of thousands. I'm already logged in as myself, at the top. I'll log in as another user. You say something using the tell command. The messages are received instantly, even though there are hundreds of thousands of connected users. I'll use the yell command to broadcast a message to every user. That literally sent the message to 300,000 users. About a second. Okay, 300,000 concurrent users is impressive. But even Node.js can do that. Let's try something hard. To make things interesting, we'll trigger a bug on the server. Damn, I must have said something bad. But as you can see, Mary and Jack can still chat. Of the 300,000 users on the server, I'm the only one affected. Let's see if we can fix the bug. Here's the code. Holy crap. It looks like the original programmer, in his zeal, added some forbidden utterances. Let's clean this up, because we don't want to censor. Okay, I recompiled the code. Next, I'll reload it, in real time, with 300,000 concurrent chats going on. Done. In case you missed it, here it is again, in slow motion.
They use it in Next too, so I wonder if there's going to be some people out there who will.
For some of you, what you just saw is not self-explanatory. If gracefully handling bugs with hundreds of thousands of concurrent sessions and fixing them in real time without stopping the server seems passé, you can always use Ruby. Then, when your app doesn't scale, move to Node.js. Then, when you can't maintain your code because it's a pile of tangled slinkies, move to psychobitch. With that experience, you can appreciate what you just saw. For the rest of you, yes, that just happened. So, what do you guys think about psychobitch?
She's utterly terrifying.
It makes me wonder if perhaps Psycho Bitch is a real person.
You mean, is the name based on my experience with a girlfriend who's batshit crazy, drop-dead gorgeous, brilliant, and brags to her friends about costing me tens of thousands of dollars in therapy over the last 3 years?
Oh shit, I know a girl like that. She scarred me, for life. Literally. Seriously, I'll show you the scars.
I don't even remember how we got onto that tangent, but oh, something about different languages. Papa Smiles, you'll notice if you hang out here, I do get off track quite a bit. But I blame other people who aren't me for getting me off track. Hmm? Okay. Ooh, what is it? Oh, nice. Nice. Oh, of course they're gonna do. What's it say about PHP?
PHP. PHP is a recursive acronym. It originally stood for
Personal homepage.
Perl Hypertext Preprocessor. No, it stood for Personal Homepage because the dude made it to write his personal homepage. And then it stood for Personal Hypertext Processor. But now it's actually one of those recursive acronyms. It stands for PHP Hates Programmers.
Ooh. Ooh. Saved. Saved. Okay, back here, back to our title slide types. Okay, so what we need is title label, bar. Oh, no, sub. Um, 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 um. Now we essentially need to do the exact same things here. Oh, let me turn music back on. And I think ads are going to be coming up pretty soon. So I'm going to turn on words when we get there. There we go. Update all those. So now we have all these. Now with any luck here, if I'm doing this right, we're gonna want all these inside the container and looking at the inside the boundary, which is going to be our area 2D. Then all right. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Okay. Light boundary. Oh, stop. All of this is going to be indented a little bit further. Area 2D new. Area 2D. There we go. Container includes area 2D new. And then, ooh. I'm going to save that. Maybe not. Maybe not. Hold on. Okay. As I'm going to be starting up, I need to run to the restroom, so I'm going to do that now. I'm going to start words up. And then I will be back very shortly. We got level 2 coming up. Hopefully everybody's ready. Starting up words. Words on stream. Words on stream. Now. I was typing out treaty the second you put that you put that in. I was typing it out. I think this might be it. This might be the one. Well, stop being productive and start paying attention to me. Ah, so close. Almost, almost. Oh, hold on. Did not mean to do that. All right, so. Wow. Where the hell is the thing I was looking at? There we are. Okay, so here we have background image. I think maybe each slide, I don't know if I'm going to do a different background, but I'm going to, yeah, let's just save it here as image. New image. Now let me just make sure that it's something I can just. Okay, what am I missing here? Texture rect. Here we go. Holdnator! What? Again? Welcome in. How we doing tonight? How was the stream? How was watch along? How's everything going? And why? Uh-oh. I have failed again. I have failed again. Raiders, I'm so sorry. You're not getting the treatment you deserve. Because something broke in my game. But we're working on it. We're getting it fixed. Is it really game? No, it's a in my overlay made with a game engine. Anyway, Holton, how was the watch along, folks? I don't want to shout out his emote. If you aren't following Holdenator's Ho, you probably didn't come in with raid. But I highly recommend checking him out. Absolutely fucking hilarious. Great commentary, watch along streams, great gameplay streams. Amazing podcaster, funny as hell. Can't say enough nice things. For raiders coming in, oh no. Oh no. This is not what I meant to do. I mean, I'm not upset by it, but this is not what I meant to do. I don't really have an easy exit of this. Ah! Here we go. Here we go. Now I think we got the right one. All right. Oh. So Raiders coming in, those of you who don't know me, I'm JD. I'm a web developer. I am currently learning game development. I'm using the Godot game engine. That is not the right window. Trying to learn game development with it. I'm also doing building out my own overlay. But for now, what I'm actually working on is a presentation that I'm going to be giving in Florida in a couple of weeks. So I probably should have had it done a lot of time before this. But the presentation, I'm giving it in the form of a platformer game. And what do I mean by that? Well, exactly what I said. When I present This is how it's going to happen. So different slides. Slide transitions are made by different game parts here. And I'm rewriting the engine that I used to build this. I'm rechecking things because it's really quiet for a Holden raid. Usually y'all are a bunch of degenerates in the best possible way. So just making sure I'm still on. Yeah, so I'm working on a rebuild of this engine here. Or not really a rebuild of the engine, but a rebuild of the way that we make slides. And the way I'm doing it is we're putting everything in reusable slides, and then the goal is that I can use this framework and rebuild my presentations or make new presentations kind of on the fly, as we go. Wait, what the hell is going on here? Back here, background assign. Oh, wait, no, huh? So wait. Yeah, let's go back here. I need to figure out what this gets added in as. I don't want it to be a sprite 2D. It's a texture. Texture 2D, and then if I were to drag that in there, great. So it's kind of on the right track here. So yeah, if anybody has any questions about what I'm doing, about why I'm doing it, how I'm doing it, when I'm doing it, where I'm doing it, who I'm doing it to, feel free. But until then, I am just trying. Okay, good. I can put that in there. That's what she said. Great Arts, welcome in. Good to see you. Also, big news for the Raiders coming in, and Terry Darts, and anybody who wasn't here 45 minutes ago. I am going to be streaming semi-professionally every couple weeks. And what do I mean by that? I mean that I will be streaming on my company, my employer's Twitch stream. And I will be learning a new skill. I will be learning penetration testing, or ethical hacking. And the way that I'm going to do that is we're doing kind of a series of, hey, web developer who doesn't do security stuff, learn security stuff. I think it's going to be really cool. Big cough. Excuse me. So that's going to happen probably every 2 weeks. For the first few, I'm going to be streaming together using the group stream together thing, so that you'll get notifications if you follow me over here. So if you haven't followed me, follow me, please. Follow me. Why haven't you followed me? Listen, my self-esteem and self-worth is directly related to the number of follows I have. Right? Okay. That tracks. Oh, TD. Ooh, naughty. Mods, somebody hose down TD. Oh, Terry Darts. There is a Humble Bundle link pinned in chat for Zenva for learning Godot. If you're still interested, use my link. Don't use my link. I really don't care. It is something that I bought that I highly support and recommend. Okay, so there's enough about that. That is the big news. Too soon for me to shout out again. All right, so we've got a background texture 2D. Now what I need to do is make it so that we've got title, subtitle, and byline. TD, what's that in freedom units? Ooh, that's high. That's high. Get some meds, get some ibuprofen, some Tylenol, or I don't know how what you all call it over there. Probably something like very, very proper. Like I don't know. Extra U's in it somewhere. Paracetamol. There's not nearly enough U's in there. There's one U in ibuprofen. One U. But not enough. There should be another U in front of the O and another U in front of the E just to be safe. Ah, okay. So we're gonna name the container the slide boundary, which is what it needs to be. It's an area 2D new. Um, um, how do I get the window size? Under project settings, it would be display window. Um, so how would I call that in here? How do I call? Or should we just go with the slide boundary size that we're already using? Oh no, wait, that doesn't even have a size. The size over here does not matter. Slide boundary. We're going to add this child container. And then owner. I did a shout out not too long ago. It is twitch.tv/HeroDevs. No, thank you. Thank you. Okay, and then I'm going to add this there. Now we need to add a collision shape. Collision object 2D, right? Yeah, that's what I want. I think that's what I want. It's actually running? Why do I have it running? Yeah, I don't think I need to do that because that should be a default. Same with the container. Oh. Yeah, that's bad because I am trying to run the script as tool, but tool break. Um, oh shit. Okay. Let's look it up. Why did I use the wrong thing? There we go. Collision shape 2D. Oh, nope. Wait, what? Where? We're gonna have to restart the editor once I get past this a little bit. So what I'm doing right now is I'm trying to make it so that when we do things, when we make updates, there we go. That's in, but my area 2D has not appeared because the title here should be a child of that, unless it already exists. Oh, no, that probably. Yeah, we've got that. What am I thinking? What am I thinking here? Collision shape. So that's not even going to show. Where is slide boundary? All right, so collision shape, 3D new. Slide boundary is what we're going to name it. Wow. Wowie, wow. Slide boundary. So how do I then add? Save. Okay, let's see if I create a new one here. Nope. Bad. Don't save. Perfect. Okay, so I need to create a new rectangle shape. Collision. Nope. Container, add child. Collision. Uh, okay, we're gonna do a new rectangle shape, 2D. Wait, will that, or do I need to add that as a child? I don't think I need to add it as a child, do I? Okay, size. I got that right. I got that right. Yoo-hoo. Shape size. Vector 2. And then we're just gonna steal from what I have. 1914, 1072. 1914, 1072. Save. Let's do another one. Hit tree. I want to save the scene. I want to save the script. Save. Let's try another one here. Here we go. Tile slide. Here we go. And if we go into 2D, look at this. Look at this. We're getting exactly what we want. And then in world, are we actually moving it? I don't think so. I think we're just placing them. What about slide 2? Let's look at slide 2. This position, 1920. Oh. So wait a minute. Wait a tick. Why? 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 If the collision shape itself is okay, okay, it's not just me. Look, I do have a gap here. I don't know why. Maybe it's to prevent overlap? I will live with it. All right, look at that. Look at that. So when we create the title slide, it's going to have all this. So this is really making things a lot easier moving forward. I think. I hope. Oh God, I fucking hope. Okay, let's see. Where is the slide that this is based off of? Don't save. Let's close it down. Am I still streaming? Okay, weird. Okay, so title slide. Actually, can I? Whoa, I sound weird. I sound weird. Do I sound weird to anybody else? I don't know. Okay, title slide. I think I could get rid of that. Wait, no, I can get rid of them on here. We'll decide about the text direct about that later. But title label. Well, this is. I just want your company. That's all I'm saying is I just want your company. As sad as as sad as it is, this is my social life, you know. And I realize how pitiful that is, but at the same time, title label, subtitle label, byline label. No, I get it. I'm just being facetious, which is a fancy way of saying I'm being an asshole. Let's see. This is really cool. What I'm doing here, I did some research during the day. Yes, exactly. Ooh, that's another one. That's another one that I need to look. Now, okay. This is now while I'm looking at this. Did you make a conscious choice for the global emotes to be purple like that? Because I've seen them, like for me, I get the gray robot. So I'm guessing you had to make a conscious choice. Okay. So I'm going to have to do some shit to make sure that we got it. I've got, but I think I know how to do that. It's just that's not the focus right now. That'll come after I get my slide show thing working. Byline label new. Byline. Horizontal alignment center. See what does monkey? So I think, all right, yeah, let me inspect it really quick. Still coming through as an emoticon, and that's a different number than we saw for the other one, that 483. So if I look, I think that we can, pull the image just fine. Okay. Byline label. Edited scene root here. There we go. I definitely will. It's not my priority now. I need to get this done because I'm less than a month away from giving this talk, and I mean I have the content ready. Worst case scenario, I give it as a regular presentation. I don't want to do that. Tommy L. Bro, welcome in. Good to see you. I'm doing well. Hopefully you are too. Eyeline label, and then what do I have? Oh, I didn't do the subtitle label. Nope, bad. There we go. What the hell? Again, no. I need a new keyboard. I need something so that my mic isn't right in front of me, because right now, where my hands are with my keyboard, I keep like having to move back and forth, and I'm afraid of hitting the mic. And I spent way too much on this mic arm to use anything different. And I guess I can do it like this. I'm just afraid of hitting it. Right, whatever. Nice, Desist. That is awesome. I mean, Are you still going to get a new mouse, or do you still have to use the old one with the new PC? That's an important question, I think. All right, so it's not completely. Oh, did I not save the script? No, I saved it. That's fair. That's fair. Okay, let's create a new one. All right, looky here. Look at 2D. All right, and everything's movable. Now, can I create yet another one without having... Oh, yes, this is exactly what we needed. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Perfect. Perfect. This is wonderful. This makes me very happy. Everything is just there. Now, let's see. Oh, no, cancel. All right, let's see what we can use. What can we take out and put? Tommy, that is amazing. Congratulations on finishing that up. That sounds really cool. A big question here. Big question here. Got an unsaved. Let's look at the 2D. Oh, wait. That's not as bad. If I create a couple new label settings here, like the font, outline, color. Yeah. So we can still reuse the label settings if I create new ones. Okay. So I think that what we can probably do. Now we've got the slide base here. Ooh. There. We add it to group marker. There, we need it. We need that. Now let's see. Got this unsaved. Don't save. I'm gonna create a new one just to see if in the thingy becomes a part of the group. Node groups. Oh, that's not the. Other test slide. Okay, so that's not quite. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. That. What the hell's in the marker group? I'm confused right now because what did I do? On slide changed. Then what am I doing here? On slide changed. Tree paused. All right, so okay, position. Current slide tween property. That global position. There's that. What else? Okay, I gotta open up the other one because I don't know what the hell. What happened here? No, that's not it. Did I close it down? I don't think I closed it down. Belongs to another scene and can't be edited. I don't know what others seen. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right. Wait, wait, wait. All right, wait, wait. All right, all right. Wait, 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 wait. All right. Well, Tommy, it's just like any other muscle. You need to exercise it, and you need to take breaks, right? You don't want to. You don't want to overdo it. The more you do, the more you'll be able to do. But if you're not used to doing it, then the chance that you can burn out, and you don't want to burn out. New present, new present. Jeez. Desktop. Okay, now let's see. Come on. Here we are. Wait, no, that's not what I want. Okay. Center presenter. Yay. We found it. Okay, it's just a 1 pixel thing. Sis, thank you for hanging out. Thank you for your help. Thank you for everything. I appreciate you. I'm gonna be wrapping up here pretty soon too. It's getting 9 o'clock, getting to 3 hours. Damian, welcome in. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So good to see you. Hope all is well. I know this music isn't well. This is gonna be better. This is gonna be better. Okay, so we can save that. We can save that where it is. Then where? So I can save that as this, but I don't want to add this to the group marker. This, no. It's fine. Okay. Now what can we add in by default to our base slide? Is these are not going to be. What's this in? It's in the group slides. Slides. Got nothing here showing that that group even exists. Ooh. Nothing looking for that. So I just have a group that we don't need. All right, that's gone, that's gone, that's gone. Bye-bye. All right, now let's see if we can make it so that we have the slide container here, the slide boundary and collision shape. Okay, copy that. And we're going to put this over in the base. In the base. Wait a minute. Rename. So we got the slide base here. We got the so ready. Back up there. Bar container. Area 2D. Bar collision. Collision shape 2D. Now, is there anything that we need to put in here? Else. Container. Get node. Get node. Slide boundary. Wait, what? Ooh, no, 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 no. Slide boundary and slide collider. Collider. Okay, there we go. There we go. And then we can make it a little bit better in here. And get rid of that part. Make sure we load everything from above. Super ready. I'm super ready. Are you super ready? has no slide. Oh, ads are going to be starting up. I'll put that words on stream back up for a couple minutes. This is going to be the final ad break. That's right, the final ad break. Don't let me down. I will be back in about 3 minutes, all right? All right, we're back from the ads. Nobody's playing, so I'm going to turn it off. And that was the last ad break. I'm going to be wrapping up here in the not too distant future, next Sunday afternoon. If container has node. Yeah, there's a container. Okay, so there's going to be a lot of if statements here, if else. There we go. There's that. Okay, if we don't have subtitle, then boom, there's that. Else. Get node, subtitle. Then finally, if that container has node byline, go add that. And I don't think I need the container anymore. Don't need the collision anymore. Gotta change that. Here. Do. What? Okay. There we go. If engine is editor hint. Is I have an extra indent there. That's what the problem would be. Label text equals title, subtitle label text, and byline label text. Okay, don't save, and let's try making a new one here. Other node, it's gonna be a title slide. Yes, we have everything here, even though we don't have everything in here. Now, if I were to create a new one. Bullet side inherits. Class name. Okay, so class name bullet slide, and do I have it the same basically here? Title slide. Tool extent. Okay, if I pull the tool out of here, will it still work even though the parent is a tool? This is one way to find out. Don't save. Does not appear that way. Okay, okay. All right, we're getting. Oh, this is good. This is good. Yes. Oh, this is so good. Now, if I create just a 2D scene, now what I'm hoping I could do here is have this. Oh, check this shit out. Look at this. This is pure happiness right here. And it has its own stuff test, right? And I can take this one. I can move it around here. I can take this title. I can do that. I can move it here. Oh, yes. Oh, we're there. We are there. This is good. This is very, very good. All right, where are we here? Okay, I think I'm going to wrap up. My mouth is starting to hurt. I need to take my meds and get some sleep. Thank you all for hanging out. This is this is super exciting. This is really, 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 really exciting. So I will be back tomorrow night. Definitely. Depending on my level of insomnia tonight, possibly tomorrow morning. But most likely not. I need to get a lot of work done because today I was mostly out due to the face thing. Not going to run that, so let's put all the things out there if you're not subbing to me on YouTube, please do that. Watch a couple videos. I have some videos coming out in the next few weeks. I'm working on the outlines for them now. But I'm trying to figure all that stuff out. And you're going to join the Discord. Here we go. There's that thing. Yeah. This has been freaking amazing. I am freaking really happy. And our friend Science is having a special event. So we're gonna head over there to celebrate with them. So I hope you all have a great night. I hope you all learned something. I hope that you all come back with something to teach me. This is really cool the way it's turning out. I have high hopes for what we can do with this. And I'm not exaggerating. This is gonna be a killer thing once we get it. Like, it's gonna be a fucking big deal. Okay. So the raid's going. If you want to, there's the sub version. Here's the non-sub version. No need to do it if you don't want to, or if you're not even here. But yeah, I'll catch you all later, and thank you again. Bye.